Hello, welcome to AppCoderFuad. I'm Fuad, your instructor. In our previous video, we will learn what is Dart and what is Dart programming language. We will learn a lot of things about Dart programming language. In this video, I will show you how we can run the code on our computer. For doing this, I am using an online tool or online ID for running our code. These tools or this website name is dartpad.dev. You just open a browser and type dartpad.dev and you will find this web page. I am sharing this website link in our video description so that you can easily click on this link and you will come on this page. In our future video, I will show you how you can install ID on your device. But for this video and upcoming some videos, we are using this dartpad.dev because it is very easy to use and we are easily just open a browser and type dartpad.dev and we will find this page and we are starting our coding on Dart programming language, right? For our couple of videos, for our next couple of videos, we are using these tools. In our future video, I am showing you how you can set up an environment on your device. However, so how we can run this code? In this page, you will see that on the left hand side, there we are writing the code, and on right hand side, the output is displayed. By default, we see that there is a code. So just we run this code. For running this code, we are clicking this run button and we see that the output is showing here. Well, we are delete this code and we are type print method and then we type hello. I want to print hello. Okay, so that's why I write this, and then if I run button, click on the run button, we see the result is here, or this output is here. In this video, I will show you how we can use dartpad.dev or dartpad for practicing Dart programming language. Hopefully this video is helpful for you. If you like this video, hit on the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more useful tutorials. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.